Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in into your Chase Bank account. So in order to log in into your Chase Bank account, first of all, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and you can either use an application or you could either log in from the web browser. So in my case, I'm going to use a web browser. Open up a web browser. You can just go ahead and type in chase.com, and that's going to direct you to your official page. So first of all, in order to sign in, you have to make sure that you already have an account. So basically, you have to click on the sign in button located in the top right hand side corner, and that's going to direct you to the sign in field. So all you have to do is just provide in your username and then the password associated with your Chase Bank account. And once you're done entering the following credential, just click on the sign in button, and if the following information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged into your account. However, if you're having difficulty logging into your account, or if you're unable to log in because of some incorrect information, then you can just go ahead and tap on forgot username and password located right at the bottom, and that's gonna take you to the field where you can actually go ahead and recover your account. So in this way, you can log in into your Chase Bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.